So Saurabh, I can see no, not even like not only the hose and the coupling, but also the crimping machine, cutting machine, and rest of the machine required for hose making assembly.
Yes.
And today, as you know, in the country, there are a lot of remote locations where the mining site and infra sites are coming up or already there, where the breakdown cost because of failure of the hose assembly is very high, and to replace them, especially at the remote place, they have to spend lot many hours, and which requires lot of money in form of breakdown going to the drain. So with launch of all of this, the complete system, what kind of solution we can offer to our mining fraternity, to our infrastructure customer, especially in the remote locations?
So, if we talk about any industry which need a hose assembly unit setup, so as you already mentioned, it can be an infra site, it can be a mining site, or any industry where a hose assembly unit setup required. The biggest problem till date was the same. Like they need to go to a different supplier for a crimping machine, different supplier for a cutting machine, different supplier for a hose and end fittings. And there was no such training was there. They like all the supplier, they just gave their machine and took the money and that's it. So we at Rajdhani, we came up with a concept where we are saying we are the one-stop solution for all your hose unit setup, where we supply you crimping machine, cutting machine, number marking machine. We supply you hoses, we supply you fittings, and by looking at your fleet size, we can suggest that you need which type of fitting. So there should be no dead stock at your end. And the best part, we train your team. We train your team at Udaipur, at our plant. It's a 7 days technical training and theoretical training. Then our team come to your site. When all these machineries are there, our team go there, they do the complete training and they make the hose assembly in front of the customer, and it's a one-stop solution. And in any case, like if any of your trained employees left and now there is a new employee who want to do crimping and all, we can train them again. So we are not just supplying the product, we are giving the complete training and solution, where all your headache for a hose assembly unit setup, you just need to say one name, Rajdhani.
Fantastic. I think this is a great news for those kind of customers. They can save millions of rupees in terms of the breakdown, what they are spending today. I think you mentioned about a very important thing, that if they give us the fleet details in terms of what make of equipment, how many numbers they had, and we will be able to suggest them as to what hose and coupling they should buy, so that the all can be used. Because I think all the sites we have gone, we have seen the inventory cost is more than 2 years of their total requirement, and again the money goes to the drain. So what kind of strength you have we have as an organization, that we are able to accurately more or less suggest them what hose and coupling they should buy?
So Prabhaji, as you already know that we are having a customer base of more than 2,000 customers in India, and they are from all the industries. Either we talk about infra, mining, or any of the OEMs. So we have the exact experience and knowledge on which equipment, which make of equipment, which fittings will be there. And there can be repeated fittings on different equipment, so we can also consolidate that requirement and give you a less quantity, so you can serve to all those equipment. So we are the only company in India, I can tell you, by looking at your fleet, by looking at your equipment, we can tell you which size of crimping machine you will need. That will be for 2-inch R15 or 1-inch spiral, because the cost between both the machine is there is a huge difference. And if you talk about hoses and fitting stock, if we are suggesting you those hoses and fitting stock, there is a good chance there will be a very less inventory at your place, and by minimum investment you can cater all your equipment.
Fantastic. So I think what you mentioned in last 5 minutes, I think we are changing the industry by revolutionizing. We are not going to become a vendor for them,
Yes.
a supplier to them, but we are actually going to partner with them,
Yes.
right? So we are going to solve their problems, whatever they solve their pain areas. So congratulations, Sam. I'm really looking forward all those mining sites, infra sites, or wherever in any of the industry you are, and you are looking for not only an end-to-end solution, a complete, a holistic partner who can support you at all the steps moving forward throughout the journey. I think you can trust Rajdhani. Thank you,
So
Saurabh. Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhat ji. So I'll show you all the equipments and SOP what we teach at
Yes.
the sites. So this is a crimping machine. There are two types of crimping machine. One is up to 1 inch and 1¼ spiral, and another one is 2-inch 6-wire. So by
Okay.
looking at the fleet size, we can suggest which crimping machine to be needed.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Now I'll take you to the cutting machine. This is a hose cutting machine, and the specialty about this cutting machine that we use SS blade in it.
Oh, okay.
So when you cut any hose with the SS blade, first of all it's a 0-degree cut, and second one there is a no contamination. Now the third machine I want to show is your number marking machine. This is for the traceability, the date of the manufacturing, and you can mention part number on it. Apart from that, we also help you to design and supply these type of trolleys to keep your fittings. We also give you these SOPs where like there are pictures are mentioned. If your team, if like any of the person who is being trained for the hose assembly setup and he left, and any new person is coming, by looking at these SOPs, they can still crimp and make the hose assembly. So these are all the SOPs for different applications, and this is our complete setup. And Prabhat ji, you will be surprised, you just need 200 to 300 square feet of area, and in that area you can do a complete hose assembly.
Oh, that means like, you know, it is good for any individual,
Yes.
any end customer, whether it is infra, mining,
Yes.
or the individual level. So thank you, Saurabh. I'm sure like, you know, a lot of people and the industry in general, like, you know, will take advantage of this, and we are looking forward to partner with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.